In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group chat in Slack. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply want to stay connected with your team, setting up a group chat can streamline your communication and make it easier to share ideas and updates. Let's get started. First, head over to your Slack homepage. This is the central hub for all your channels and direct messages. On the left sidebar, you'll notice an option labeled DMs, which stands for direct messages. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can manage your existing direct messages and start new ones. Next, you're going to add people to your group chat. To do this, look for an option that says Add Coworkers. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to add the people you want to include in the group chat. You can add as many colleagues as you like, but ensure that each person has an active Slack account. If they don't, you might run into roadblocks. Here's a useful tip. While adding people, you have the option to type their email addresses. This can be especially handy if you know their contact email, but they're not showing up in your list initially. It's crucial to make sure that you type the correct email address. Double check any spelling errors or typos, as these will prevent your teammates from joining successfully. Once you've confirmed that the email addresses are correct, it's time to send out the invites. Look for the send button and click it. This action sends an invite to your selected coworkers, notifying them that you've added them to a new group chat. If they accept, they'll be able to join in on the conversation. After you've sent the invites, return to your Slack homepage and once again click on the DMs section. Now take a glance through your recent chats to find the newly created group chat. It might be listed under the name of one of your invited coworkers or a list of invitees. Click on the chat to open it up. At this point, your group chat is ready to go. All that's left is to start communicating. Click into the message box and you can begin typing your message. Hit enter to send and watch as your message appears within the chat for all members to see. From here, everyone can contribute to the discussion, share files, and collaborate in the same space. And there you have it. Setting up a group chat in Slack is really that simple. Whether you're using it to brainstorm ideas or coordinate team efforts, group chats can significantly enhance your workflow. Hopefully this guide has you on your way to more seamless and effective communication with your team. Enjoy chatting.